Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to narrow down your search by applying filters on the Heinemann application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then you should tap on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen. And then tap on the search bar at the top to search for a product or a category, but you can also use this menu icon in the upper left corner and select from these categories such as spirits, fragrance, skincare, makeup. Select the subcategory. Here you can see the available products. If you tap on the show all button, you might wait a few seconds. Here you can see them. And here you can see the filter button on the right side, so you can apply filters in terms of, for example, product line. Tap on the relevant one and the brand can be chosen as well. And basically that's it. You will be able to see the available items according to your set preferences. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.